Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark.
Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a boyfriend version of an Among Us crewmate, boyfriend from Friday Night Funkin'. So it's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. So let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do, also don't forget, stick around to the very end of the video because I'm going to show you the color version of it at the very end, okay? So stick around to the end. It's a pretty short video. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a curved line here for the top. That's going to be the top of the visor. Curve down. Curve along this side. And then I'm going to curve it underneath. So we're going to have that pillow-like shape for the visor. I'm going to draw a straight line down here for the front. I'm going to go to the back over here, start kind of a distance, and I'm going to pull straight line down for the back. Curve underneath for the foot. Sorry about that. Pulling up here. Pulling in for the lower body, pulling down. We're going to close that off like so. This part's all typical so far. So far, it's all the typical crewmate. Now we're going to get into the unique part about him. And I'm going to draw a hair like so, like these little zigzag hairs, because that's what a boyfriend has. Like so. Here. Another line. A lot of it's like little triangular lines. That's kind of what we're doing here. Zigzag here. Zigzag over here for the back of the hair. And I'm going to close it off because we're going to put a hat on his head, the way boyfriend has it. I'm going to throw this shape right here. It looks like a frying pan, but it's actually the back of his hat. Like a frying pan handle, but it's actually the back of his hat. I'm going to pull a line here. Up. Out. Down. That's actually the baseball cap. That's backwards. And I'm going to pull a line downward here. Then I'm going to draw the, like he's got like a big old fist. Down, like so. It's kind of like a 7. Down here, just to find the fingers of the fist. And I'm gonna close that off. I'm gonna throw a thumb over here. 2 little lines at the top, and we're gonna draw the microphone head. Curve here for the top of that, and then we're gonna draw a circle on top of that for the microphone. Line across here like so. And we have that netting shape for the microphone. I'm gonna go over here about halfway between these 2 points and go back. I'm gonna draw the top of the backpack, and down here's the lower part of the backpack. Don't forget, by the way, I have a lot of Among Us videos, obviously, and I have a regular tutorial of boyfriend on this channel. So go check back in the what do you call it? In the playlists. I have boyfriend on here and a lot of Friday Night Funkin' characters as well. So go check that out if you are a big fan of that. And I'm gonna draw like a little music note over here. I mean, right here. It's like almost like a T shape, but little thing at the end there. Just kind of a music shape to show that he's singing. But that's pretty much it. A lot of this is relatively simple. What I want you to do is I'm going to show you the color in a second here, but before that, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy these short step-by-step drawing lessons, hit the subscribe. It says 95% of you are not subscribed who are watching this, so hit the subscription. I'm going to be posting at 1 to 2 videos a day. Also, do not forget, check out the cute drawing ebook. There is an ebook entirely on cute drawing. So, for example, if you see you have a character that you have, I show you how to draw that cute. And cute has very specific things. It has what is it exactly, right? Proportion. It's all in the proportion. And I put that into an ebook, a really short ebook. It's like 8 pages. And it's a visual ebook, meaning you don't have to read anything. You just look at it and you're like, oh, I understand now, through like these little graphs. And you'll understand really what makes something cute. So go check that out. It's 100% free right now. It's in the description and it will get you that learning that you need. And it's completely free, so go check that out in the description there if you can find it. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Everybody's amazing here. I love you guys, and I'll see you later, okay? Easy pictures to draw. Stay tuned for the color. Talk to you soon.